What is going on there?
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Dave, you behind the curtain? Dave?
No.
No. Are you on the couch under the quilt?
Oh, I was behind the cushions.
Yeah, well, I could see that. I didn't clock that first. I looked past it.
Bro, come on. What are the elephant in the room, man?
Yeah, I banged my head getting down so I couldn't settle properly. I felt like I had concussion.
The wheelchair, man.
Can't see any of them.
Shit myself.
Oh, where is he, man?
Oh, he's there. He's there. Darren, is that you behind the fridge?
Yeah.
Behind the fridge, not sitting on the wheelchair.